Hi, Kylie from Thrive Web Design here today. We are just doing a quick tutorial on how to copy out the link or URL of a website. So why you might need this is if you want to paste a link into your website or if you want to paste it onto social media. What we do is we go to the top URL bar and we can then select that link at the top. It usually looks something like HTTP or HTTPS www.thrivewebdesign.com.au, or the same might be on any page that you're looking at. Google, it's www.google.com. So we select that link, and then we can right click and copy, or you can use the shortcuts on your operating system of Windows or Mac, and then you can it's in your clipboard, so then you can paste it wherever you need to paste it. Thanks, bye.